Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace shocks on a Chevy Silverado 1500. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a precise torque wrench. Ensure you have the correct replacement shocks designed specifically for your truck model. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves throughout the entire process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient shock replacement. To begin, safely lift the front of your Silverado 1500 and secure it using jack stands. Next, remove the front wheel to gain clear access to the shock absorber. Locate the upper mounting nut and the lower mounting bolt that secure the shock. Use appropriate wrenches and sockets to carefully unbolt and remove the old shock. Sometimes, a penetrating oil can help loosen stubborn bolts. Now, prepare your new shock by priming it, which involves compressing and extending it a few times. Carefully position the new front shock into place, aligning the upper stem through the frame and the lower mounting hole with the control arm. Install the upper nut and lower bolt, tightening them to the manufacturer's recommended torque specifications. Finally, reinstall the wheel and safely lower your truck. For the rear shocks, begin by lifting the rear of your Silverado 1500 and supporting the axle with jack stands. Locate the upper and lower mounting bolts for the rear shock. Use a wrench and socket to remove these bolts, then carefully take out the old shock. Install the new rear shock, ensuring proper alignment, and tighten both the upper and lower mounting bolts to the correct torque specifications. Repeat for the other side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.